Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to cut stuff! Today we got a battle royale between 3 different brands of multi-tools. So what I got going on today, guys, is I got 3 multi-tools, all different price range, all different metals. I'll start off with the cheapest one. This is a Grandway multi-tool that I paid $13 for. It has a 440C stainless steel. Then we'll move on to the ever popular Swiss Army knife, which I don't know what their steel is. They don't really specify. It's their own steel. I believe it's in the range of the 12CN27 or the 4116, kind of in that area. I believe it's got a Rockwell count of 56, so it's a little lower. And then the Leatherman Wave, which has the 420 high carbon. I'm not going to do the whole 3/8 manila rope. This is like my 3rd time recording this, and I'm going to go through, I'm going to break it down and do through just each individual strand, because I was trying to go through the whole thing and it was just a bear cat with these blades like they are. And also, these tests kind of suck to do. I'm not going to lie. So, I'm going to ask you, my viewers out there and my subs, do you guys have any other ideas for something test-wise I could do to replace this? I already replaced Field Test Friday because I broke too many knives. So if you guys have any suggestions out there, throw it in the comments down below. You know, let me know what you guys think. Some of you guys might, well, most of you guys out there are probably brighter than me. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the cheaper one first. So we'll go ahead with the Grandway. And if you're new to my channel and you're into things like this or anything that's budget, knife and gear related, hit that subscribe down below. I post videos every week, sometimes numerous times a week. Alright guys, let's just start off with this. Alright guys, so as you can see where I was cutting at, barely got. If I get a little lower though, I do like butter. Right on that spot where I was cutting at. Getting more tearing than anything. Alright, so I lost count on that. I'll tally them all up and give you guys the results of them on the end. I believe that one was 40 something. So, now we'll move on. I forgot to show you on the first one, but I did sharpen them all razor sharp, so they're all good to go. Alright, so now we'll go ahead with our sack and see what she can do. This, as you guys know, if you watch my What Knife Do I Carry Every Day, this is the one knife that never ever leaves my pocket other than pretty much when I go to bed. And that's even a surprise. Alright guys, let's go with this. And gals.
you take it into her side.
Alright guys, so that does that for that one. And I'm going to take a short break and then I'll come back with this last part, the Leatherman. Alright guys, let's move on to the final multi-tool. And like I said, if you guys have any suggestions, please, for a new test to do, leave them in the comments. I had to take a break because I cannot feel my middle finger and my wrist hurts. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, I can't even get it to grab an edge on the end. So we'll get those tallied up and we'll figure out the winner of this here multi-tool battle royale. I've gotten a couple mentions in some of my groups already calling for the sack to win, but we'll see. Alright, I'll be back with the tally, guys. Alright everybody, well I got everything all tallied up, and P. Rick, You called it. Our SAC is the champion today. She cut 57 strands, and a real surprising second place finish. It was actually a tie between the Leatherman and the Grandway, both with 45. So you got your 440C and your 420 high carbon, and then the Victorinox steel. So there you go, guys. Swiss Army knife pulled it off. Like I said, that's why it's a blade that I carry with me all the time. Alright everybody, it's Justin from Blue Collar Survival. Like I said, if you guys got any suggestions for new testing for me, please leave it in the comments down below. And you guys stay sharp.